Hey guys, this is Veronica from MPL Stay Home Cinema, here to bring you this week's Canopy film recommendation of the week. In celebration of Pride Month, I chose for you this great artistic masterpiece titled Moonlight. In this coming-of-age drama film, we see Sharon in 3 stages of his life: his youth, adolescence, and early adulthood. As a young African American growing up in Miami, Sharon faces many difficulties and struggles with his sexuality and identity while enduring emotional and physical abuse. His epic journey to adulthood as a shy outsider, coping with many difficult circumstances, is guided by support and empathy from the most unexpected places. This A24 film by filmmaker Barry Jenkins won an Oscar Award for Best Picture. It was a Golden Globe winner for Best Motion Picture Drama and won Best Cinematography and Best Editing at the Film Independent Spirit Awards. It features actors Alex Hilbert, Janelle Monáe, Mahershala Ali, and Trevante Rhodes. Moonlight is a work of art that portrays contemporary African American life with intense poetic meditation on family, friendship, identity, and love. I highly recommend this film. See you next time, and as always, keep watching on Canopy.